behind every glory there's pain. Behind every glory there is sacrifice.
Oh yeah.
I don't believe in luck. Angikholelwa kwinhlanhla.
Hey, Nkosi
Thina
yami.
sibona abantu benhlanhla. We are not people of luck.
No.
What is luck? It's when preparation meets opportunities. That means luck cannot come up until you prepare yourself.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
When you prepare yourself, opportunities will come.
Oh yes.
Yes, ungakhohlwa ukuthi on Thursday it's a candlelight service. Siyamemezela on Thursday it's a candlelight service 10 p.m. Please gather your family, gather your friends, gather your brothers, your colleagues. Mangabe usebenza night and then ubatshele ukuthi uhlula bathakathi will be live naba prophetic. Sizobe sikhona sigcoka ama-gown amhlophe. Siza prophetically. Singena kwinqanaba lobuprofeti. You are moving prophetically. Siyobe sithandaza nawe. Sicela ukuthi uprepare ikhandlela lakho and uprepare iglasi yakho yamanzi.
Locked up in my earthen vessel.